So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own tournament in StumbleGuys. So you'll first need to go to stumbleguys.com/play, so this website right here, and you'll need to log in. After that, you may enjoy the game, but you think you should host your own tournament, and you can find that on tournaments right here. So you can see some of the tournaments, you can just enter them. So Legendary Block Dash, Elimination Cup are some of the features on there. So let's go back to the main menu. If you wish to create your own tournament, you will first need to do something else. So let's go to StumbleGuys, and you will need to join StumbleGuys Creator Program. So through the Creator Program, it says here, become a StumbleGuys creator and earn rewards. So if you join the community and you start to cooperate with developers of StumbleGuys, you will be able to become a promoter, and in a sense you will also be able to create your own tournament after a while if you're an influencer or a creator for StumbleGuys. So StumbleGuys developers will help you out in creating tournaments, or even designating you as a host of the tournament, so you can create it through that kind of indirect way by becoming their own creator. But you will need to be in talks with developers, since there isn't a direct way for you to just go to tournaments and click on create. It all goes through the developers of StumbleGuys. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on StumbleGuys or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.